Welcome to my channel, Stacey Fowler Creations. If you're new, welcome. And if you're not new, still welcome. I'm so happy to have you here with me. Today, we'll be talking about when the letter C changes its sound. When the letter C changes its sound when it comes in front of three letters. Before I, E, or Y in a word, it changes its k sound to sound like the letter S, so it makes the sound S. So whenever the letter C comes before E, I, or Y in a word, it no longer makes the k sound, but it sounds like the letter S and will make the sound S. Now let's look on examples. So the first example I'm going to show you is the word circle. This word has two C's in it. The first C is not making the k sound, but it's more making the s sound because it comes before the letter I. The second C is making the k sound. And just for coming to my channel, I always try to give my viewers extra. A lot of times people think that the letters L and E make the sound Lee. No, 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 no. It does not make that sound, but it more makes the sound oh, like you're lifting something heavy. Whenever you see L and E together, most of the time they will give you a O sound. The only time this sound will change is if another vowel comes before the L. So when another vowel comes before the L, then the E goes silent and the L will do the sounding or make a sound. So when another vowel comes before LE in a word, the E is silent, so you will not get the O sound. But once there's not another vowel there, if there's a consonant there, then the LE will give you that O sound. Now let's look on another example. So first I showed you a word that has CI and the C is making the sound. So now I'm showing you a word with CE and we'll get and s, e, scent. So the C is making an S sound in this word. And our last word that we are going to look on is the word cycle. Again, the first C is making a S sound. The second C is making the K sound, and the LE give you the O sound for you to get cycle. Now, if you notice, Y is not making it Y sound. Why is that? Come back to this channel. I'm going to teach you when the letter Y changes its sound as well. After you have taught this rule, next you will give your students some spellings and give them sentences to write with the words. That is always key whenever you're doing any letter sound with your student or child. When the student or child writes the sentences, then you ask them to read those sentences because then you're going to build their confidence when they realize they can actually read what they have written. And the last thing for today is me needing your help. There is a fun educational fairy tale book that I've written. Yes, me. I only know how to put the fun in learning. So this book is available on Amazon. It has a little about the alphabet, a little about nouns and pronouns. Please, pretty please, please, pretty please, make a purchase of this book. The link for the book is in the description below, so you can check it out. And when you have purchased the book, please rate the book on Amazon for me. I would greatly appreciate your help. I will now say thank you very, very much for coming to my channel and watching this video to the end. If you have found the information very helpful, then please subscribe to my channel. And while you click on that subscribe button, make sure you click on the notification bell that you may be notified when I upload new work. Please also like and share my work. And of course, leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, I love you. Bye bye.